Hey everybody, welcome back. Ricky here. I hope everybody had a good weekend. Let's do a quick SPY recap for today. And at the end, as always, I'll give a quick update on my trade plan. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Today is Monday, December 29th, 2025. And right now is 4:51 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY was down 0.36% today and closed at a price of 687.85. And over here on the monthly trend is still up and price is way above the monthly basis and still in the upper half of the bands. And right below we have the weekly. The weekly trend is also still up and price is above the weekly basis. So these recent candles here, they look like consolidation. So it feels more like cooling off here. And up next we have the daily, and the daily trend is up. Price is still above the daily basis. Price is pulling back a little bit after recently pressing into the upper band area. So the daily upper band is acting like a ceiling for now, but the structure is still bullish overall. And lastly, we have the 4-hour. The 4-hour trend is mixed, but two up. Right now it is in a pullback phase, but not really clean strength here yet. The last 4-hour candle closed just barely above the 4-hour basis, so the basis is still the active decision level right now. It is trying to hold. So big picture summary, the alignment is mixed to bullish still, because the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour only barely now just get close back above its basis. And now let's go to my trade plan decision. Just a quick position update. So I'm still holding a 50% SPY long position that I opened on Friday the 19th. So let's zoom in on this daily chart here. So my entry was at 680.84, so around here somewhere. And right now, my stop loss is set at 684.70. So let's bring up another line. So right there somewhere. Change the color to red. And so I trimmed 25% on Tuesday, December 23rd, and another 25% on Wednesday, December 24th. So after looking at today's updated data, I personally decided to just hold on to my existing 50% SPY long position. And as always, this is just my personal trading opinion and not financial advice. So now if we look at the my trade setup here, so now my target 1 would be around here, around 692.50 per se, and my target 2 would be at 697. So if the price can stay above the 4-hour basis, there's still room to the upside. But the invalidation would be if the daily closes back below its basis, and also if the 4-hour time frame here, if the 4-hour also closes back below its basis, then I do have my stop loss right here to protect my position, and also my primary action would try to exit at that point. So back to the question on so why do I still hold on to my long here? well, the long side is still supported because the price is still above the daily basis, and the daily basis is still rising. The slope is still rising up. Also, the 4-hour closed slightly above the 4-hour basis, so there's no trend break signal just yet. And also, I'm not adding to my long position here, because opening a new long position here is not a clean add at this point, because the 4 hours is still fighting at the basis here. And also opening a new short position is also not clean, because the daily is still above its basis, so you'll be fighting the trend. So yeah, that's all. I'll hold on to my 50% long SPY position and reassess again tomorrow. And that is all for today. And thank you for watching. I hope everybody has a lovely evening, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.